In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use MaxxTraxx Remote Pay with your 360 Payments integration. From your repair order, click on Deposit on Account. Next, click on Send Remote Pay Request. In the following window, confirm the amount that you'd like to collect and press OK. The remote payment can be sent through text, email, or you can copy the link and use it in any other way where a link would be appropriate. For this example, we're going to use email, and we're going to choose to include the invoice. The text or email will be generated. You'll have an opportunity to edit it and send it. Once done, you'll be left at the Pending Remote Payments screen. From this screen, you can manage any remote payments that are outstanding. When your customer opens the link, they'll be brought to a payment page where they can enter their card details and click Pay Now. Once the transaction is approved, they'll see a record of their transaction and can email themselves a receipt. Back in MaxxTraxx, the service advisor can click on Deposit on Account. To check if any payments have been made, they'll then click on the button Check for Payments Received. Once found in the Deposits and Credits Available, you'll want to confirm that the deposit is being applied to the right place. Once you've done so, click Save, and that's how you do a remote payment in MaxxTraxx with 360 Payments.